Hey guys, it's Jim here. It's Wednesday, the 24th of August 2016. I thought I'd just give you a quick update on all my charts because I sort of tend just to race through all the individual pairs on the Facebook page, and you probably lose track if you're not keeping an eye on your own charts or looking at the spreadsheets fairly regularly. So we'll just run through all my charts quickly, and we'll start with the Aussie New Zealand dollar. This one, I'm in two sell trades on the Pepperstone account. Remember, these are a sequence of trades. So we've got trade 1 and trade 2. One's for 0.02 and the other one's 0.06. And we're just sitting down here. This is just over plus 500 pips all up, which is good. I closed that trade here on the Go account, so we're short on the Go account one trade, and the stop's just below break even there, which is great. I'll just move this out of the way so we can see. Aussie short here at this red line, so we're still in there. Stop's been moved to break even. I think that was this morning on both accounts because we've broken through that zero level on the MACD Platinum, and we're against the major trend on the MA, so that's all good. Nothing happening in the Euro Aussie, Euro Canadian, nothing happening there. Euro Pound, this is the one I went on the divergence on this sort of, it's pretty hard to see that sort of pinkish line. Here's the pink line on the MACD Platinum. Sell signal, stops just above the highs, taking that. I wouldn't mind trying to get down to these MAs if I can, but I'm keeping a pretty close eye on it. It's doing all right at the moment, but as you can see, it's against the MAs. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but it's looking good so far. Euro Yen, not much happening there. Yeah, it's just going pretty flat for the last few days. Euro USD, I had a sell on this last week and a bit ago, which got stopped out. Now it looks like we may be rolling over again for another sell signal. We've had the red dot on the MACD Platinum, and we're now just waiting to see if we get on the QMP filter. That's why the grey line just gives me a heads up. And the moving averages are all pretty tight. Great British Pound. I sort of mentioned that double bottom along here. It's still holding, but it's going against this big downward trend here. And the reason I'm not really interested in trade is because there's not much room, with these dots on the MACD Platinum right near the zero level, just not that good. I think look at that nice double bottom, Great British Pound, US dollar. Again, going against the trend. Wasn't actually a valid signal because the blue dot wasn't below the zero level. New Zealand. Yeah, this is pretty interesting actually, because I drew this red trend line across here, somewhere just after here somewhere. So the extension of the line here, the body of the candle hasn't actually broken up through that line at all since then. So it's against the trend, got this nice big trend line up here. So if I get a sell signal here, I might actually take this because I'm thinking that's going to hold, a bit like the Aussie. Canada, don't worry about that too much because it's got lots of old trades on here. Righto, Swiss franc, USD, Swiss franc. Here we are again, same as the Euro, basically goes the opposite. I was in to buy and it got stopped out on Go, and now we're in a second buy today on this bottom blue line. The Pepperstone was in both trades still. There's no stop in Pepperstone, so we're in two trades on Pepperstone. And that yellow line, dashed look yellow line, there's our overall break even, so it hasn't really got far to get up to there. And if I want the plus 500 overall, it's actually around this blue line. I didn't throw it on the chart because it looks a bit ugly. So we're one buy on Go and two buys on Pepperstone. I'm looking for this MACD, see it's below the zero, it'll eventually head back up to that zero level. And the plan is that we get a profit, that's the plan. USD, Japanese yen, been in this trade for quite a while, over here somewhere, so nearly 2 weeks. Red line, stops down here, downward trend, it's very flat, even the MACD Platinum's flat, and this hasn't been a blue dot on the QMP filter yet, so I'm just quite happy. Both trades on Go Markets and Pepperstone are both open, so yeah, I'm just quite happy with that plot along. It's not bad. Let's move along here. Let's see where we're at. AUD Canada. This is one of those ones I took on divergence. Closed out part of my trade already. Still got 0.02 on, I think. My stop's up here. I should really move my stop there to break even. I might do that this afternoon, or just above these recent little highs here. Looks like this is just about to turn, so if I get a red dot here, I'll probably just close this trade. It's in amongst the MAs at the moment. MA's a bit flat and a bit ugly, so if I get a red dot in the morning, yeah, I'll close that. If not, I'll bring my stop just into this level above these highs here, which will lock in a little bit of profit. Pretty ugly chart there. And AED, Swiss franc, Australian Swiss franc, pretty much the same. There's a divergence trade, closed off 0.03 already, lose 0.02. My stop is, well, at break even, so I might just let this one pan out a bit. Still heading down nicely on the MACD Platinum. As I said, with both of those, this pair, the one I just spoke about, they hit this 240 LMA and it just bounces off there. You know, it's such a magnet sometimes, but it's all good, looking good. Canada, Swiss franc, not much happening there, nothing going. Yeah, this one. Canada, Canadian JPY. I took the buy back here somewhere, the blue line. Just hasn't, it's got up there a couple of times, back to point of entry. Now I've got this red dot on the MACD Platinum. So depending on how this goes tomorrow, if I get a sell signal on this QMP filter, I'm going to take the sell, and I may close out this buy. It's just not going anywhere. It'll only be a small loss, so it's no big deal, but sideways chart. And here's another one sideways, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, not much happening there. Euro, Swiss franc. Right, I'm in two sells on both accounts. This is my stop up here for both my trades on the Go Markets account, and as you can see it's going sideways. And I'm also in two sells on the Pepperstone account. And the actual entries are both pretty close together, and the overall break-even's right between the two of them. And it seems to be rolling over a little bit again, and the MACD Platinum's still above the zero level, so it's just a sideways going nowhere trade. So, but still in it. Euro NZ, another sideways trade. I've been in this one quite a while too, and it's just going down and up and down, and it's meandering. We did get a blue dot and a buy. Well, it's not a valid buy signal because the blue dot's above the zero level, but it looks like it's coming down. If it gets down below this point of entry, I might just close this trade. It's just, I don't like that blue dot or that blue dot there. But if we get down here break even, I think I'll just close that one out, and I'll close the Pepperstone account on out. No, I'll leave the Pepper one on. I'll close out the Go Markets. Great British Pound, Aussie. There's blue dot, divergence. We're going against the trends. Yeah, I hope it goes up and gets a good bounces off these MA somewhere and comes down again. We'll take the sell, but at the moment it's not a valid trade for me. This probably could be said the same about this Great British Pound Canadian. It's come down. The blue dot's too close to the zero level for my liking. It wouldn't give me enough wiggle room once I got that blue dot on the QMP filter, and it come up to the MAs and hopefully just roll over also. And same deal for the Great British Pound Swiss franc. Close. And GPNZ, Great British Pound New Zealand dollar, same, except the blue dot's in a bad spot, and it's got this double bottom. Not sure where it's going. I think that British pound's a bit underside at the moment. New Zealand, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I'm long here somewhere. It's just slowly grinding up, going nowhere. If this trend line here holds, that'd be great. looks like it's broken. That red one's probably not in a good position, but if it gets up to break even and we cross this MACD Platinum, crosses the zero level, I'm just going to get out of that trade. It's going nowhere and it's against the MA, so probably not the smartest trade. Aussie yen, same deal, but this one's actually heading, I'm in a buy trade, which was stopped out on Go, but I'm still in the buy trade on the Pepperstone account. I'm in a sell trade still with Go, and I am in a Pepper buy arm at the moment, so it's a little bit messy, but I'm in a sell that hopefully hedge some of the loss I took before, and this buy, MACD Platinum, will hopefully get back up there and head back up. So that's about it for the charts. I sort of rushed through that a bit. I hope the sound's not too bad. I have to go to a quiet small room that I covered in my place because you get away from all the noise outside. And I'm only using my phone microphone, so I do apologise for that. And that's about it. Any questions, just hit me up on the Facebook group or send me an email. Thanks very much, guys. Good luck with trading, mate.